Pre-slaughter care of poultry. Pre-slaughter care of poultry animal includes various procedures which are adopted during transportation, pre-slaughter rest, and ante-mortem inspection. Transportation of poultry animals. It plays an important role in keeping quality of meat. So poultry animals, they should be transported in a proper manner. And animals which are taken to the slaughterhouse either on hoof or through road, rail, sea transport. Whatever the means, what is of paramount importance is that the animals, they must not be subjected to cruelty. If animals, they are carried by road or rail, care needs to be taken to avoid overcrowding, which may lead to suffocation and physical injuries in the form of bruises, fractures, etc. There are specially designed trucks and wagons available to take care of such issues, and they should be used as far as possible. In case of poultry animals, they are usually carried by roadways. Now, adverse consequences of transportation. In this picture, you can clearly see how poultry animals, they are being carried, and they are usually carried in this way only, in a local level. So carrying animal in an improper manner, it may lead to physical, physiological, and behavioral changes, and these are thermal stress, trauma, fatigue, hunger and thirst, and physiology indicative of stress plus fear and aversion. Now, effects during transportation. Improper transportation may lead to reduction in their liver weight. Withdrawal of food alone or both feed and water for 24 hours resulted in a 10% decrease in their liver weight. Holding birds in larage for 1, 2 or 3 hours increased their body temperature and depleted their liver glycogen. Now, mortality during transportation. Mortality is higher in consignments of broilers transported for a longer amount of time. Longer will be the journey, higher will be the mortality rate. For journeys lasting less than 4 hours, the prevalence of dead birds was 0.156%, whereas for longer journeys up to 9 hours, it was 0.283%, an increase of about 80%. And in shorter journey time, less than 3.5 hours, exhibited a low mortality rate, that is 0.24%. Now, what is pre-slaughter rest? Pre-slaughter rest, it is the period before slaughtering when animals are rested in order to improve the meat quality and reduce the chances of contamination with gastrointestinal bacteria. During pre-slaughter rest, fatigue could have negative influence on protective functions of the animals, allowing rapid penetration of microorganisms, especially E. coli, through mucous membrane of the intestine to the bloodstream and ultimately to the organs. So during pre-slaughter rest, animals, they should be avoided from the fatigue and stress. Now, importance of pre-slaughter rest. Pre-slaughter rest, it helps in preserving glycogen level in the muscles, and during the later phase, this glycogen, it undergoes anaerobic respiration and results in production of lactic acids, which has mild preservation effect on meat quality. Normal feeding and resting for 48 hours bring gradual freeing of muscles and other organs from microorganisms and improves bleeding and keeping quality of meat. Now, under stress condition, muscles, they do not receive enough oxygen, which leads to higher lactic acid production, often associated with comprised quality in terms of color, texture, and water holding capacity. Poultry hygiene, it is another important factor in disease prevention, and cleaning, it can eliminate over 90% of all disease. Vehicle and transport hygiene. It is the maintenance of hygiene and sanitation of vehicles in which poultry animals are being carried. Cleaning and disinfection of cages, they should be carried out after use. The vehicles which carry the modules or cages should also be cleaned and disinfected after use. And most importantly, staff training in hygienic practices. Staff should also be trained in hygiene and sanitation. Pre-slaughter inspection. So pre-slaughter inspection, it is the inspection that is done prior to slaughtering. Sick birds, they should not be sent for slaughter. They should be disposed of at the farm under veterinary supervision if possible. The circumstances of the sickness, they should always be reported to the veterinarian. Cleaning and disinfection of cages, they should be carried out after use, and the vehicles which carry the modules or cages, they should also be cleaned and disinfected after use. So these were some of the steps of pre-slaughter inspection. Now, how to improve poultry processing pre-slaughter? If the pre-slaughter phase of broiler production is not handled with the same level of care as is given to various stages of poultry production that come before it, then processing operation will not receive birds in the best possible condition, and ultimately performance of the businesses will be affected. And there are 4 ways to improve poultry processing pre-slaughter. First is speeding up cage distribution. Using a winch to distribute cages within the poultry house can not only speed capture but also reduce physical exertion required by the catching team. Second, proper catching. If bird catching takes place during the day, the area where the birds are gathered, they should be darkened using a special wire mesh. This reduction in light levels will not only result in the birds being more relaxed but will make capture easier, so reducing the likelihood that they are harmed. And they must be handled by the body, not the legs, with their wings held down firmly to prevent flapping, as flapping it can result in the birds being harmed. Third is loading the truck. Moving the filled cages onto the truck platform is usually performed by 1 or 2 workers. However, by employing a winch, which can be operated by 1 worker alone, the other, they can be freed up to perform other tasks, for example, distributing cages on the truck platform. And last is organizing cages on the truck. Once the cages they reach the truck platform, standard practice is for 3 or 4 workers to organize and distribute the filled cages. As the filled cages, they are moved completely by hand, they are usually dragged and hooks are used to make handling the cages easier. And there are several negative effects associated with this practice. So to resolve this, rather than using hooks to drag the cages, specially designed carts able to support 8 to 10 filled cages, they can be used. So this was all about pre-slaughter care of poultry, and these were the steps which were involved and which were to improve the poultry processing pre-slaughter. That's it.